Hi, this is Dr. Edward Condrat, and I'd like to invite you to our annual Vision event. This is the Vision Event 2022. And every year I put on this event to bring you valuable information that can help you improve your vision and your eyesight. This year we have a great lineup. We have Dr. Larry Wallace, who's going to be talking about light therapy. We have Dr. James McNear, who's going to be speaking on his experiences in using alternative therapy in treating eye problem patients. And also we have Howard Leonhardt, who's the president of iCell. He's a remarkable individual who's bringing microcurrent technology into the medical community. And he has achieved several patents and several products that I think you're going to find to be extremely interesting. So sign up for the event. It's going to begin February the 26th. It's going to be for 6 consecutive Saturday afternoons. It will be videotaped, and so if you can't make it a Saturday, you can watch the recording. And the best news of all, this is a free event, absolutely no charge for you, but we are asking that you give us a small donation towards the Restore Vision Foundation. But don't worry, if you can't afford a donation, you can still attend the event. So go to www.visionevent2022.com and sign up now. That's the visionevent2022.com. And I look forward to seeing you there at the event.